Well, Celibate Rifles, The Killing Time, that was done at that same club, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was, this is from the
Explain what-
Sedition Festival, which
Right.
was the Independent Music Festival last year. Was the shot on the first night of 3 nights at the Trade Union, which Hot basically put on and sold out all 3 nights and was a great, about my favourite.
And it was all filmed? Or
Yeah,
video?
this is a lift actually from a half-hour doco that'll be probably sold to television, I don't know.
And it'll be called?
Seditious.
As the whole show was called.
Yes.
Okay. I might tell you guys that our researcher gave me all the details on you two today, and I was trying to, for an hour and a half, work out how we tie them together so that everything fits like a web. Didn't do too bloody well, eh? Celibate Rifles, Killing Time. We'll be back to talk to the guys again in a moment. All my fault, chaps.